Hey YouTube! I am back with another YouTube video, and this is just going to be a quick, easy YouTube video. It's going to be like showing you in kind of a tutorial of how I do my edges when I have box braids, because I feel like it's different, because when you have your hair out, you have more edges, or you can use your hair whatever to do your edges or whatever. But when you have box braids, you only have a certain amount of hair that you can use until the braids like get messed up, and then you can start pulling my hairs down. But right now I only have a little bit of edges to work with because my mama's not playing and she gripped them up. So yes, let's just hop straight into the video. And y'all know that y'all sick of me wearing this bonnet, but okay. Alright guys. So this is how I wore my hair today. It was in a bun, and if you see my box braid hair tutorial thing, then you'll know that I have a whole nother rubber band thingy right there. So hold on, let me just go ahead and fix this up real quick. So okay, I really don't like how the bun look, but anyway, so right now this is how my edges look. I don't have many edges like I said, but I still try to slay them the best that I can, because period. And yes, so alright, so let's just begin. So first of all, I use a skinny comb when I do my edges, because I used to use a brush, but then I felt like that doesn't really like get my edges good and how I want it. So I use a comb now, and I just swoop it like that, because I feel like a comb really helps more. I don't know, yeah. And then the edge wax that I use is this braids. I don't know. But this edge wax. And I feel like this is much better. If you see the one that says extreme at the top, I do not recommend that. Because even though it says extreme, it's not better than this one that does not say extreme. Because this one, hold on, I think that I have it. Nah, I don't think so. Because, yeah, that was not the move. But yeah, that's basically like grease to my edges, honestly. It's like, it has the same consistency as this. Ooh. It does still look like this. It has the same consistency and everything. But it's like, yeah, it has the same consistency and everything. But it's like, it's more greasy. It melts my edges. But this does not. Well, it just depends. So, yeah, okay, I'm talking way too much. So, let's just get straight into it. And yeah, first thing that I recommend that you want to do is, like, you know, put your edges all down, which I do not do this. I don't. Like, for example, in the morning on my way to school or something, I won't do that. I'll most likely just go over them, but I don't recommend you just to go over them, because of the simple fact that it's going to because you already have edge control on your edges from the night before. So it's just gonna build up, and then it's gonna mess your edges up. Cause my edges like low-key be wide at school, and that's like so embarrassing. Ew, that hurt. As I said, I don't got many edges out. So yeah. Alright. So once you have combed the edges down or whatever, I just go ahead and dry them. Cause it be wet. So yeah. Alright y'all, so here's a close-up on how my edges are looking right now. And I know that y'all see it looks like white right here, and that's because I told y'all I just built up the edge control. Alright y'all, sorry if the camera is a little slanted. That's the best I can do right now. So, yeah, as I said, like, yeah, it's white over here because I built up the edge control. And by building up the edge control, I'm basically talking about, okay, so say for example, I just did my edges. I go to school, and then I come home, and then I put on my headscarf, and then I go to bed. Then I wake up, and then my edges are messed up. But I take the edge control, and I just put it over it. That's not good, because that's building up edge control, and it's going to make it white eventually, period. What you want to do now is get your edge control. And I know that not all people, not everyone's like, for your edges, like y'all could use most of, y'all could probably use Eco Styling Gel, which I used to be able to use that. Then one day I woke up and my edges was like, nope. And I was like, what do I do? And I had like a whole bunch of edges out. So yeah. So what you want to do is go ahead and just, and I'm working on not using so much edge control. And I feel like that's also another reason why my edges be like that. It's because I use way too much edge control. And don't do that, because no. Alright, y'all. So basically, to begin, I do my eddy because I'm not just gonna slick the eddy up. I don't like it when it's slicked up because it's only on the side. So all that I do is I swoop my edges. Y'all see that? So yes, I swoop, or I said my edges, but yeah, like with my eddy, I just swoop it up as if I'm doing my edges. So yeah, and then alright, so usually over here I do like a little swoop, but the opposite way. But right now, of course, it looks like kind of weird because I don't have no edges right here. So yeah, but I'm gonna just go ahead and swoop it anyways. Right. So then you get to the other side, and then you simply just comb it, and then boom. That's all that you gotta do. Like, all you have to do is comb it down and then just swoop it in. But not even no swoop. As soon as you comb it down, you could easily just, you know, get like a little part. So then, y'all, for my little side patches or whatever, I go ahead and I like comb them up or brush them up, and then I bring some out. And I don't make a curl. Well, I guess you could say that, but I don't know. No. I basically just do something like that. Alright, so then for this side, you just, yeah, I don't know, like you comb it down, and then you just go in, like that. And I really do like the opposite direction edges. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, when it's like the opposite direction, that's like really cute to me. But I only do it for these parts right here. So yeah. And then for this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did to the other. I mean, like, it's basically just self-explanatory, I feel like. But, you know, they're like, some people, you know, like, they struggle with edges, and that's perfectly fine because a lot of people have edges tutorials. So, yes, that is basically all that I do for my edges. It's nothing more, nothing less, like, honestly. And when my hair is out, I could do another one of these for my hair is out, but it's practically the same thing. It's just gonna be more edges. So, yes, but I do not recommend, like, you know, like putting out so many edges, because I feel like that is, you know, I don't know, but I just feel like that's not the move. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all a little like close up or whatever. So yeah, and y'all, it is, well, mine looks greasy. I'm not gonna say y'all's gonna look greasy, but mine do. Alright, y'all, so it just looked like this, and I know that it's gonna look weird because it's gonna look, I mean, it's not gonna look weird, it's gonna look like mad greasy. So yeah. Alright, so that was all for this video. You guys enjoyed this really quick little YouTube video, and like, subscribe, and comment down below, and